Hi there. So your dream finally came true. You have opened a business and have been operating successfully. You are your own boss, but you got a letter of notice of intent to dissolve from the Alberta Corporate Registry. What does this mean? The Alberta Corporate Registry sends a notice of intent to dissolve before striking a company off the registry. If the company does not comply with the requirements such as failure to file annual returns, non-compliance with business laws, request for voluntary dissolution, and involuntary strike-off by the Alberta Corporate Registry, a final notice is sent informing the business owner that the company has been struck. If a business is struck, it loses its legal status and cannot conduct business activities until it is revived. If the company is already struck, Alberta Corporate Registry may not send a letter directly unless requested. However, business owners can check their company's status through an Alberta Registry agent or the Alberta Corporate Registry website. Creditors, banks, or legal firms may also send letters informing the business owner of potential consequences if the company is struck and has outstanding debts or legal obligations. Follow these steps to revive your business. Step 1. Confirm the business status. Check if your business is officially struck by searching on the Alberta Corporate Registry database. Visit a registry office in Alberta or use the Alberta Corporate Search online. Step 2. Determine eligibility for revival. The business must have been legally struck due to missing filings, not because of legal action. The business name must still be available. If another company has taken it, a name change may be required. The revival request must be made by a director, shareholder, or authorized representative. Step 3. Gather required documents needed for revival. Complete and signed articles of revival, original certificate of incorporation, pay outstanding annual returns and fees. Legal authorization forms needed are readily available at Alberta Registry offices or downloadable from the Alberta Corporate Registry website. Step 4. Submit the revival application. Submit your articles of revival and required documents to an Alberta Registry office. Fees vary by registry agents for business revival in Alberta. Revival filing fee of $250 or higher. Outstanding annual return fees $50 or higher per year, and a lawyer fee. If using a lawyer, processing time is typically 5 to 15 business days, depending on the registry office. Step 5. Receive your certificate of revival. Once approved, your business will receive a certificate of revival, allowing it to resume legal operations. If your business was struck for missing annual returns, it is always helpful to set up reminders to file them on time every year to avoid future dissolution. Subscribe if you like topics like this so you can stay informed and have basic knowledge on how to do it yourself with Alberta registries. Hit the like button as well, and feel free to share this video. Comment below if you have any question or topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.